Is your Dodge Caravan window switch making this sound? We're going to replace that switch and fix it. These are the tools we're going to need: a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a small flat-bladed screwdriver, which is useful for prying things, and a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a replacement switch. I got this from Amazon, about $55. You can see here at the tail end here that there is a little tab that you're going to have to pry around with that little screwdriver to get it to pop. First thing is to remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are holding the plate in place. There's one here that's probably underneath the cover on your car. My cover has fallen off. And then there's another one over here that you can only get to when the door is open. With those gone, you'll be able to pry off the face panel, pull the door latch to get it out of the way. Kind of an up and out sort of motion. Here's the switch assemblies. We got the power door locks here, and then the windows over here. The window switch assembly is held on by 3 1/4-inch nut screws, and this thing works like a charm. Now the switch is free from the housing, and it's got 2 locks that are holding in place. First is this red switch, which we'll need to slide out of the way. You can just shove it over, and you can see now I am clear all the way through for these 2 tabs to come out through that channel. And then there's one more interlock that I was pointing at earlier that you may need to help pry loose to get it out. You stick your little flat blade in here, help push it up. Hit pause. There it is. So this is that tab that you need to clear, and this is the little switch back here, little tab that I'm trying to push out of the way. If you can see that there. So you press down, kind of lift up, and it will wiggle free into this harness. So now I'll take my new switch, plug it in, make sure it's firmly in there. I can close the red interlock. That makes me sure that it's... There we go. Let's put it all back together. So, back into the piece of trim. And replace those 3 hex head screws. And then back into position. There we go. Place the 2 trim screws. Alright, turn it back to accessory once more. Let's check it.